Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the DIY on the Body Lava, Body Glow, whatever you want to call it. It's this big craze on the internet. Sorry once again if you can hear anything in the background. My boyfriend is watching his Bronx play, Bronx Nation, whatever he bloody calls it. I'm very sorry. But this video is to show you how you can make it from home or how you can buy really cheap products and make it yourself. And no, I'm not naked. I have a crop top I'm wearing for this video just so I can show you the glow. But if you want to see how to make a really cheap version of this body glow, then keep on watching. So all you need is two products. The first product you're going to need is some sort of oil. You can use baby oil, you can use coconut oil. I've got this one from Palmer's, the coconut oil body oil. It's just got this nice little squeeze top on it. Oh, yep, it's gone all over my light. But yeah, it just got a nice little squeeze top on it and you can pop it on your skin. It smells beautiful, just that beautiful coconut smell, so I got that one. But you definitely don't need this one. You can literally just get baby oil or just any type of oil, coconut oil, and yeah, that's all you need. So that one was under $10 from Priceline. That's product number one. The second product you're going to need is a loose pigment highlighter. Loose pigment is going to work a lot better than your baked highlighters just because it's already loose. The pigment is already finely milled and it's just going to be a lot easier to add. And this one is the Medusas Makeup highlighter. It's an amazing highlighter. So blinding, so I'm so excited to see what it's going to look like in this oil. I'm just going to go ahead and take the sticker off the front of this bottle. Bloody little shit. Alright, let's get started. Just taking the cap off the coconut body oil. So now you've just got the body oil with the cap off, and I have taken off the two stickers so we can see what happens inside. Now what you're going to do is grab a piece of paper. I just grabbed this out of my calendar book. Well, I ripped it out. And you're just going to empty some of the loose pigment highlighter onto that paper. I'll just show you what I'm doing. So I'm literally just going to empty that in there, just a little bit at a time. So if I want more glow, I will add more. So I'm just going to fold the paper like that, and I'm going to grab my body oil and then just pop that loose pigment highlighter into the oil. Ooh, let me show you that. Let me show you that. Can you see that? So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the cap and we're going to shake it up. So just popping the lid back on and you're just going to shake it up. Oh my god, can you see that? Oh wow, look at my fingers. I got it all over me, but look at that. Is that the most satisfying thing you've ever seen? It looks like a mermaid. I am mesmerized. Oh, stop it. I am obsessed. Can't stop watching it. Ooh, I like. I think it definitely works better with a loose pigment highlighter, just because it's so finely milled already. It just seems to be working so much better in the bottle and just looking really beautiful. And of course, you already got an oil in there, which is going to make you look glowy anyway. So yeah, let's test it on the body. So I'm just cleaning away all that fallout because I really want to see if this is going to glow on its own. So let's just get my trusty little shoulders out and let's disperse some of this product. Oh, there she goes. On. Ooh. You getting that? I kind of want to put it on BJ, see what it looks like on him. Okay, so I'm recording on my phone now, but I just wanted to show you what this looks like in real life. This is on Snapchat. Look at that. Okay, an oil on its own is going to make you look really glowy, but there's definitely that extra highlight in there. So I'm loving it. I'm just going to put some in my hand. I'm just going to run that along my collarbones. Look at that. Stop it. Ooh. I just think this would be amazing all over your legs, all over your body. Like, I just want to bath myself in it. But honestly, if you saw my skin in real life right now, you would just die. It's amazing. I just can't get over this bottle. I don't know, there's nothing more satisfying to me than this. Oh my god. Look. But there you have it. It worked. It's amazing. I want to bath myself in it. I want to eat it. It's just so satisfying, the bottle. Like, I'm not going to get over this. I'm just going to have it on my stand so I can look at it when I do my makeup. Oh, stop. But yeah, but that's how you can do it from home. You can make a body oil, body glow, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know what to call it. But you can do it yourself. It's pretty simple and you're getting a really beautiful product out of it and it's just satisfying. Even if you don't like it, you can just sit it there on your desk. Like, I know that's what I'm going to do with this. So yeah. If you end up doing this at home after this video, let me know down below. I want to know how you went. Did it work for you? I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you like these types of videos, these DIYs, let me know down in the comments. If you have something that you want me to test out or want me to try to do myself, then let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to get to that. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Love you, bye.